from this to that.
Akiruguria mihango ino kaunti-ini ino, Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Belio Kipsang nierire arutwo othe guothe bururi-ini mihango yothe ni igacirithitio niguo kuhurana na mathina o mothe mangiyumiria.
I would want to give one assurance that working with our colleagues in the Ministry of Interior, our colleagues in the Ministry of ICT, that we are prepared for this morning. And we are prepared for the next 30 days when our children will be doing their examinations.
Kipsang ni agathiririe arugamiriria ceceni cia kurigiranira tabanĩrio ni uria marugamiririe mihango ino mwaka muthiru na akamoria matigirire igeranio cia mwaka uyu ni ciagacira makiria.
This is the first time I'm meeting the center managers since we met last year again at the container. We may not have gotten an opportunity as ministry to most sincerely thank you. Last year our examination was very successful. The success might have been seen as though it came from Jogo House, but the real success came from yourselves.
Mwena-ini wake County Commissioner wa Naikuru, Joshua Nkatha, niaugite ugitiri ni ugacirithitio na njira nene na kuhe mukana uria ukugeria guthararia thayo wa muingi, akiuga ni ekung'ethanirwo nake ni watho.
Our teams are in there. Our police officers who are going to assist the invigilators and supervisors are also in there, fresh from the elections, which was conducted very peacefully in Naikuru. So basically, we are in there and we are wishing all the candidates all the best.
Miario ota ino ni aritwo ni munini wa County Commissioner wa Naikuru ya ithwiro Omar Salat, akiuga arutwo ni mehaririirie wega na hokumendithiria kigeranio kiri na hotani. Ngiribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV ni ngetwo Wanjiru wa Njuguna.